Hello and welcome to your stimulus check update and stimulus package update for today, Wednesday, June 9th. In this video, we're going to talk about two important things. The IRS gave some important updates and dates for the monthly stimulus checks going out starting in July. Plus, there is a new $8,000 stimulus that benefits anyone that cares for an adult or a child dependent. So watch the whole video for the important updates. Alright, so the IRS said that parents with children under the age of 18 will receive two letters in the mail. The first letter will tell you about your eligibility for the monthly payments that are going out because of the new increased and enhanced child tax credit. Your eligibility will be based on your 2019 or 2020 tax returns. Now, after you receive that first letter, the second letter you'll receive will have an estimate of how much money you are going to receive. These letters will be sent to 36 million households. While you wait for these letters, you should open a Webull account using the link below, where the offer now is getting 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $2,300. That's a lot of money, so go for it. Now, the IRS says that you don't need to do anything to start receiving this money. The payments will be capped at $3,600 for qualified children under the age of 6 and $3,000 per child for qualifying children between ages 6 and 17. If you're single and make $75,000 or less, head of household, and make $112,500 or less, or a married couple filing jointly making $150,000 or less, you will receive the full amounts, $250 or $300 per month per child, depending on their age. Now, if you make more than that, the payments will phase out. That's why you'll receive the second letter with the estimate of how much your payments are going to be. The IRS also announced the dates these payments will be made. The first payment will be on July 15th, then August 13, September 15, October 15, November 15, and December 15th. These 6 payments should total half of the full amount you're going to receive for the child tax credit. You'll get the other half when you file your taxes next year as a one-time payment. The IRS also urges individuals and families who haven't filed their 2020 return or 2019 returns yet to do so as soon as possible so they can receive an advance payment they're eligible for. And filing soon will also ensure that the IRS has your most current banking information as well as details about your qualifying children. The IRS will send the payment by direct deposit if they have your banking information. Otherwise, you'll receive checks in the mail. Before you start getting your payments on July 15th, the IRS will have the new child tax credit web portal up and running, and on it you'll be able to check your eligibility, and you'll also be able to opt out if you want. And instead of getting monthly payments, you can choose to get your total amount on next year's tax return. Now let's talk about this $8,000 tax credit. First of all, it's fully refundable, which means that even if you don't owe any taxes, you're still eligible to get this money. This tax credit will reduce what you owe the IRS in 2021 if you have payments related to the care of a child or other dependent. If you care for one child or dependent, you can claim $8,000 in expenses. If you care for more than one child or dependent, you can claim up to $16,000 in expenses. And this tax is refundable up to 50%. So if you spend $16,000 in 2021 to care for more than one dependent, child or adult, you'll receive $8,000 in tax credit when you file your taxes. This is up to $16,000, but if you spend $2,000, you'll get $1,000. If you spend $4,000, you'll get $2,000. Basically, whatever you spend to take care of a dependent in 2021 up to $16,000, you'll receive 50% as a tax credit. You'll receive this full benefit if your adjusted gross income is $125,000 or less. Above $125,000, the 50% credit percentage is reduced as income rises, plateauing at a 20% rate if your adjusted gross income is above $183,000. Then the credit percentage level remains at 20% until $400,000 and is then phased out until it disappears if your adjusted gross income is over $438,000. So that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please hit the like button on the video, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that notifications bell to be notified whenever I publish new videos and new content for you. Also, get your free stock from Robinhood just by opening an account using the link below. You don't have to deposit anything or do anything to get your free stock. And make sure to check the link for the Yara savings account. It's a savings account that is FDIC insured but gives you interest with a lottery system. If you use the link below, you'll get 100 tickets when you deposit as little as $25 for a chance to win up to $10 million. Then you'll get a weekly ticket for every $25 that you deposit. Finally, don't forget to get your free stocks from Webull when you deposit only $100, which is just like cash. You can take it out anytime you feel like it. All the links are in the description below. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.